There's a saying in Brazil that goes, "If you want a car that never breaks down, buy a Japanese car." This phrase is an excellent translation of a global stereotype. The idea that Japanese cars are the most reliable in the world, a belief found not only in Brazil but across many countries. This cultural perception has lasted for generations. Japanese cars are seen as symbols of reliability and durability. But where does this reputation come from? Is it just a myth? Or is there engineering and philosophy behind it? The belief that Japanese cars, especially Toyota, Honda, Mazda, and Subaru, stand for durability and low maintenance is a global cliché, but one with solid historical and cultural roots. This reputation began in the 1970s and 1980s when Japanese cars proved to be more economical and long-lasting. Even today, they're seen as the practical choice for anyone wanting a vehicle that just works. Japanese brands dominate thanks to their ruggedness and adaptability. Cars that handle long distances and harsh climates without complaint. While German cars are associated with luxury and performance, Japanese cars are viewed as reliable, efficient, and cost-effective, perfect for drivers seeking long life without the premium price tag. This reputation didn't appear out of nowhere. It's the result of engineering discipline and production philosophy. Meticulous manufacturing ensures stable performance for hundreds of thousands of miles. Engines, transmissions, and systems go through multiple tests before leaving the factory. Japanese automakers prefer refining proven solutions over risky, fragile innovations. Durable parts and simple servicing extend vehicle lifespan. The principle of continuous improvement, where any worker can suggest upgrades, prevents future problems and enhances reliability. It's more than technology. It's a way of thinking focused on the long term and on respect for the consumer. If Japanese brands achieved such reliability, why didn't other automakers follow suit? Japanese engineers prioritize durability. European and American ones focus on performance, luxury, and bold design. Cost pressure and fast product cycles can compromise testing and quality. Luxury models packed with electronic systems increase the risk of failure. It's not about capability, it's about philosophy. Think of it as comparing a Swiss luxury watch to a Japanese precision watch. Both are excellent, but built with different priorities. In the United States, surveys by J.D. Power and Consumer Reports have consistently ranked Toyota, Lexus, Honda, Acura, and Subaru among the most reliable brands. During the 1970s oil crisis, while American cars were large and gas-hungry, Japanese cars stood out for their efficiency and dependability. In Europe, particularly Germany, where luxury and technology dominate, Japanese brands earned respect for their robustness and value for money. Models like the Corolla, Civic, and Lexus RX are known for long life and high resale value, even in markets loyal to domestic brands. Today, while the stereotype remains strong, the gap between brands has narrowed. American and Korean automakers, like Hyundai and Kia, have significantly improved their reliability. Now, a car's dependability depends more on the specific model and maintenance than on its national origin. Not all Japanese models are perfect, but they set the global standard for what reliability means. Precision engineering and attention to detail. Strict quality control. Proven, conservative design. Easy maintenance and part availability. Proven durability. Kaizen, the culture of continuous improvement. Many Japanese models exceed 300,000 kilometers, or 186,000 miles, without major issues. Lexus reports fewer defects than many European luxury brands. The Kaizen concept inspired even German factories. Corolla and Civic hold high resale value in both Brazil and the US. In short, Japanese cars don't break. More than a saying, it's a manufacturing philosophy that changed the way the world builds cars. If you enjoyed the video, share it with your friends to help the channel grow. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss the next ones.